In this guide, I'm going to show you how to edit clips in YouTube Shorts. Intro. First things first, you do need to open up the YouTube app and you need to start creating a short, and you can really just record any clips or just upload any clips from your camera roll. But the point is, once you have multiple clips, and let's just go ahead and I guess raise this camera up a little bit so we can see the difference, right? What you're going to want to do is just hit this checkbox and then hit edit just like so. Now you can see the two clips. We have this black screen and then we have me lifting my phone up slightly, right? What you're going to want to do is tap a clip and then you can change the beginning right here. You can split it as well like that. And then you could also go ahead and rearrange them just by simply pressing and holding on the clip itself. And then of course you can move it wherever you want. Let's just go and say we want to move this one. There we go. So now we have it split up just a little bit better. Starts with that, goes black, then just like that. Now, of course, you can remove any clips as well. Like we can delete this. Let's say we want to just delete the black clip. Boom, it is gone. But the process really is as simple as that. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.